to clear browsing data on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, what you need to do is first of all go to the browser. So I'm gonna show the Chrome browser as an example. Obviously, if you have a different browser, the method that allows you to clear browsing data may vary. But essentially you are looking for settings, but in the case of the Chrome browser, we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and you should be able to find delete browsing data. If you don't have it anywhere straight away, then you should be able to find it somewhere in these settings. So in the case of Chrome browser, if we choose to delete browsing data, we can choose the period. So for example, we can choose to delete last 15 minutes, last hour, and so on and so forth. And we can simply press delete data in order to do so. We can also go to more options in order to choose what should be deleted exactly. We can also tap over here where we have the time range and we can choose the period, for example, all time. So every data will be deleted. And then at the bottom, confirm your choice. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!